Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Syncus finance token from the Syncus DAO. Ticker symbol is SYNC. Ticker symbol is Sync. And this token just got a brand new central exchange listing starting today, March 4th, on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on the Syncus DAO token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, welcome to Syncus, a revolutionary Treasury-backed decentralized finance protocol designed to be the cornerstone of a new economic system on Zksync. So even though they mentioned Zksync and the name of the token is Sync, this token is on the Ethereum blockchain. This is an ERC20 token. They already have 11,092 holders. Today they are up 4.56%. Token price is around 2 cents per token. And they have a fully diluted market cap of a little bit over $71.4 million. And that is also their circulating supply market cap. 9 decimal places on this token. And a max total supply of 4,186,731,698 tokens. Now, their webpage is syncus.fi. Over there, you can also find documentation, a chart, frequently asked questions, their application, their features. Now, this token just got a brand new central exchange listing starting today, March 4th at 11 o'clock UTC time. This token got listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Sync, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So, Syncus, a treasury-backed ecosystem of DeFi products built for the longevity and user empowerment. Syncus will continue to reward stakeholders. Simply buy and stake. Now, the Syncus DAO here, the IDO, it says, for Syncus to start its flywheel, there needed to be an event to gather initial liquidity and supply. So they had an initial DEX offering where they raised 188 ETH committed by 276 participants in 5 minutes. So they sold out really quickly there. Now, their vision here, it says the bull run of 2020 and 2021 marked a pivotal era in the crypto market. Significant innovation happened in DeFi. Prime example would have been Olympus DAO. So Olympus DAO emerged as a groundbreaking project in DeFi. They had the OHM token, and they had bonding. They had the Treasury, all that type of stuff. So what is the mechanics of Syncus, though? It says, learning from the downfalls of Olympus, its predecessor, there's still one truth that holds. Before we reach a significant market share, the demand for Sync will come from the annual percentage yield being high. As we learned in the first chapter in 2020 and 2021, the way to grow and sustain the annual percentage yield is to grow the treasury. So the ultimate question for Syncus also becomes, how do we grow the Treasury? So we have shown that bonds are dilutive and cause issues for holders. However, if we remove bonding, we can't sustain a high enough yield to offer an attractive APY. So investments wouldn't be possible in the beginning and don't sustain a high enough yield to grow the market share of Sync. Liquidity provision is also a low revenue activity, so ideally we would have a mechanism that captures value from the demand of Sync whilst not letting it be extracted by third parties. So combining the mechanisms of taxation with Olympus's Treasury distribution, we have created a revolutionary token that will grow its underlying treasury in the most efficient manner. Syncus will introduce protocol taxes for each action, such as buying or selling, using them to fund the treasury in order to produce real yield to stakers. Sync will fully capture the value of the attention of token garners, creating a flywheel effect similar to that of Olympus DAO, only this time it'll be more sustainable. High yield, more demand, volume, treasury growth, more yield, more demand. While Olympus's flywheel effect hates at more demand, as this does not equate to more demand for bonds, Syncus continues as more demand automatically means that treasury grows. This makes it far more effective than Olympus's system, which at its height had $4 billion in market capitalization to guarantee that each token has actual worth. To put it simply, we employ taxation revenue to replace Olympus's bonds in order to ensure that the treasury develops sustainably and does not artificially lower the token price to let third parties extract volume. So why Syncus? Well, having built on numerous chains, we have come to the conclusion that zero-knowledge chains are the future. People do not care about chains. They care about low fees, decentralization, and security. The majority of TVL is crypto, in crypto is on Ethereum. There is no doubt that this is the largest money pool available, especially concerning idle assets that need to earn yield. It fits perfectly with the goal of Syncus. It's decentralized and secure. However, the downside is that gas fees are extremely expensive for the average user that we want to onboard. Despite Solana's recent rise, the TVL has not caught up to Ethereum. This trend shows a fundamental trust issue and the importance of security. Despite its speed and low fees, in the world of cryptocurrency, where individuals potentially store their entire net worth, sacrificing security is never an option. While trading volume on Solana is high, the TVL has not increased significantly in relative terms, showcasing that people would rather speculate in the short term on tokens available to trade, but not on long-term holdings. A similar comparison explains why people chose banks over hiding cash in mattresses for their savings despite banks' flaws and their slow transaction speeds. The blockchain trilemma in achieving decentralization, speed, and security simultaneously has been a persistent puzzle in the cryptocurrency world. So they're going to have layer 2 solutions. The solution is L2 chains built upon Ethereum. And then here's where Zksync, though, comes into play for Syncus. Zksync offers the same security of Ethereum that people find important. So security of funds cannot be understated. It is primary reason why Ethereum holds the majority of their cryptocurrency ecosystem, TVL. Syncus is strategically positioned to tap into Ethereum's large pool of liquidity and idle assets, and the pool of money here is simply too large to ignore. On top of that, Syncus can monopolize the entire chain of Zksync with their financial products. The gas fees on Zksync are lower, and so yeah, they're basically saying they're using both. Now, they have their Ethereum contracts, so you can check out the deployer, the Syncus token, the vote escrowed sync token, wrapped VE sync, Syncus Treasury, Gnosis Safe Proxy, etc., etc. There's tons of Ethereum contracts on their document section, and then they also have the Zksync contract section as well. And so then they have Well, you can find all this information, first of all, if you just go to syncus.fi, which is their webpage. And then if you want to find their documents, docs.syncus.fi. Their Twitter, as always, I'm going to put in the corner of the screen, 23,800 followers at Syncus_FI, 92 tweets, gold verified checkmark. And this token just got listed today on Mexc Global. It's available now. Check out all the referral codes down there if you don't have an Mexc Global account. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment, and thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.